Rockefeller.
The Queen of Rockefeller.
Rocking affair.
Oh, Rockefeller. Real Rockefeller.
No, it's Friday. Black Queen lifestyle as usual.
Asikhuluma.
Yeah, it's Friday. Yeah, siyakhuluma.
Hayi.
Ayasiqeda ukukhuluma.
Bathi kumalanga labalekile. Emhlabeni ongejikelele. Friday.
Why what's Friday?
Saturday.
Yeah.
Sunday.
Yeah, ma unemali kubalekile. Ma unemali so kuyafana.
Noma ungenamali kodwa mawusebenza Saturday kubalekile ngoba khona kuphumule yabona.
Yeah, mawusho njalo.
Ngala benkonzo bakhona kuvuselela ma-faith wabo solweni.
Yeah, that's true.
Yabo.
Yeah.
Masile Queen akhona operator aqala Friday.
Aqala Thursday.
Oh, aqala Thursday. Oh yes, because it's latest Thursday.
Babe banyalo labasebenza ebunanzini baphumula Tuesday, Wednesday.
Thursday, 2 days.
Namanye khona njengala Black Queen.
Yeah. So you know.
But abanye waya kumba 5.
So you know say operator like Tuesday na Wednesday, say Sunday, Saturday, Sunday.
Yeah.
Monday, Tuesday.
Is the ash.
Hey,
The ash. Hey brother, how's it?
Nandi my brother, how are you?
I'm complaining.
Friend.
Mina ngichaza ukuthi itothi kahle kahle masifuna ukuthi ma ladies afuna kuba banzi atibanza kanye nene asikhulume. Ayihlala ibhampa nje.
Another day, another disappointment my brother. Another week, another disappointment.
Ngiyala. Yabona lapho seza bahlalele emakhaya.
Another week,
another disappointment.
disappointment.
Bafuna uphathe parcel yelo yasikhuluma.
Mina vele singicabanga ukuthi kube namunye nje wala iBlack Queen. Lo sebenza la iBlack Queen usihle so standard.
Naye baba on and off.
Bafana be-ghost.
Bafana baba on and off my friend. I don't know.
Obviously, but off and off.
On and off.
Obviously, my brother. Angisho banema-psyche. Yibona.
Baba on and off.
Abafani nathi ukuthi uthela bayeke bona banema-psyche.
Baba on and off, yeah.
Live livala, live livula.
You understand?
I understand, mara hayi ushito ukuthi ni business opportunity levelile so
yeah, funa igrebe.
Yeah, ifuna ukuthi I attend.
Sister C, are you waiting for you today? From last week,
since
and befuna so shootana ekhaya
hey my brother sengibalile ama bacon intaso nama bacon and eggs.
Who's the car ne Wi-Fi? The Wi-Fi is everywhere.
Nase Black Queen ukhona.
We live at TikTok now. We live at TikTok.
Sikhona lapha TikTok satholakala.
Ne.
Sikhona lapha YouTube satholakala. Only thing you need to do to ubhalela phana sikhulume podcast.
Yeah.
And subscriber.
Why not?
Like.
Yeah, why not? And
Connect push asiphambili.
And connect. Yeah, we're running 670 something if I'm not mistaken.
Mara sisi 600.
Yeah.
1,000 my brother.
Hey, yasifune 1,000.
Hey, Lutawa.
Yeah,
Lutawa uyafuneka my brother.
Stofika my brother. Stofika.
Fede, ukrenda?
Mina ngicomplain.
Umnandi.
I'm complaining. I was shooting with another girls.
Yeah.
Day before yesterday.
Khona lenye being very interested kuyo mara angaboni.
Yeah.
Angisengayibukeli because this thing gaze.
Yeah. Oh, cutting TikTok live.
No, it wasn't on TikTok. The episode they
Yeah.
It will be I think somewhere this week or Jan.
Okay. Yeah.
Unalume ngathi kune game nje ngasidlala igame lapha kune game nje. Ngiyabona kubhaliwe lapha what games. Ubebudana ama questions.
Oh, 10 questions.
10 questions.
Yeah, she also wanna be part and parcel in the podcast.
Manje wayesingamfaki. Because umuntu wesifazane.
Besithi sifuna kushuta naye every Thursday. Kahle sibone le Friday ukusena njani.
Sayimove
sibone sibika Thursday. So
manje inkinga
lo Thursday besithi sifuna kubona le guest sibe lona mara kwali.
Yeah.
Kwalile. So that's the reason isifuna bafadi angathi kwendekala. So bengise vele sikhuluma namuhla manje.
Yeah.
She wanna be part and parcel of the podcast and everything.
Le guest bekufati.
Yeah, because besifuna ukuthi like Black Queen bas offer anything ma.
Oh yeah, sponsorship.
Yeah.
Cocktail Thursday.
So
ladies
manje
night.
ishayile ukuthi organize umngane wakhe noBatando.
Yeah.
So
it's okay. It's okay.
But mine solo nyalo we have mantombazane ngile ngabana but solo abasinike le vibe yabo.
Energy yakho.
Because I don't know kumbe nginosibeka ngighost.
Hey.
I don't know.
Because simply igama. Because simply igama ngoba solo ngokuvenda. Ashkara in banga noy.
So
banga noy gang.
Even that episode le bengienda naye girl was on Monday Tuesday somewhere else.
akakuniki le nto my brother.
So right ukuthi ngikhuluma kapha thi
No, but when my brother angisho part of the reason ukuthi mhlambe bantu bathatha isikhathi ukuthi bayijwayele le nto yabo bayadapt yeah.
But that one she never adopted. She never took time. Adopted the first
That's
day.
why ngithi bantu abafani. I understand.
That's why mhlambe losibheka ngale.
Exactly. Ukuthi beka ngale kwilo kanjani yabona. So uyakhona lokukhuluma the way she wants.
Yeah.
Ufree lo muntu comfortable yabona. So maybe laba basafuna ukuthi okay sicela sijwayele. Yabona because I think inkinga lesibanayo ukuthi my brother labanye bangasi abafaka phambi kwecamera. Sebafocus kakhulu ku do I look good?
Yeah, there are people like that.
Yabo.
Ngalive nayo sister siwathi vele ngabe siyamfaka ngalive. But she never spoke about that thing from day one. But I mean, I don't think usbe kufuna bengale cause she's a radio presenter say because ngala yeah. Yeah, manje utawuthina my brother.
But akuna from
so khona lami ngishuthile that's why ngize ngakhoni umbuta kakhulu question ngisafuna ukumbuta kahle because you know a person wena umbona amakhethi business yakhe arana something else about umbide you understand mombide avumbe nalenye indzaba ngisayishuta and sure okay this woman ngimbita siyaxoxa about everything khulela emakhaya and everything like that bengingalothi ukhulela emakhaya and she spoke about she was raped from as 10 years old until 11 years by her neighbor.
Ah,
yeah, her neighbor.
Makhelwane.
Yeah, Makhelwane.
Yes.
And you know, see what's the painful part?
Yeah.
Kokwakhe by 2 street. Bengiyaqala you see.
Yeah.
But when she grew up, Katakula, watholakala ukuthi wagcina ayikhuluma lenzaba yabo.
It happened.
Makayikhuluma bacabanga you know what happened?
What happened?
Umndeni yakhuluma kahle ukuthi bayikhuluma lenzaba kuphela.
Lapha ku. Umuntu akaboshwa.
Uzowafa. So I couldn't ask her too much question about that one, but uthi yena you so lucky because lenzaba bengikhuluma ngayo every time ngivele ngikhale yabo. But nyala ngisakhala and bengingakusinza you understand?
Nawe uyaqala ngiyiva.
No like nami ngilokhekile ukuthi ngikude ama question too deep yeah ngavele ngathi ungithole off guard yabona ngabe ngitshele day before say pregnant ngizabe ngifisa ngathi ungangibhuta yona but yena herself uvele waba willing ukuthi ayikhulume
manje bomakhelwane lenzaba baya besides makhelwane lokwendile lo
other neighbors
the other neighbors baya
that's the reason ngifuna ukumbuta too deep you understand because nam self being shocked
nabo babe shocked mabe podcast
yeah so
yeah.
I think part 2 we need to I think we need to call another girl like njenga nomsebenzi kanji similar situation yeah. I think that we ngaba more interesting you understand
there's hey my brother there's plenty of the stories you understand that there's plenty of the stories it's just unfortunate ukuthi my brother lelsito nali justice lethingekawo ayitholakala you understand because ukukhulumile na my brother and benjengoba ngisho ukuthi uhlala ukukhuluma imkhalisa you understand
yeah she know la cry
and I'm assuming ukuthi she probably never went to therapy for it.
That's one of the things that I'm because now myself was so shocked.
Now also thinga ko my brother therapy.
Yeah, because
yeah, 10 years though.
Yeah, usimabhoko makahamba thothi mhlambe uyembeshenini uthengisa uyobuya late kuyangena kwamalume kumele njalo
usele idwana phela
yeah usele idwana
hey
you understand
bese laba ebatali mina angibazulu mabachazela kahle bathi hayi sicela mina ngibone ngicela ukudilela naye you understand
it's that lo justice
it's just justice ayibambe itandleni takhe my brother because lo mntwana lento ukhula nayo yabona i-trauma straight my brother no matter shout out to her man for being strong to talk about yeah shout out to her man hey abasibaningi uthi ngabalula abheke nje the way ngakhona umuntu wakhona my brother I'm sure
idea
awukho prepared awadi na
so that's the reason nami ngibe shock because Bengakhona ngikubuluda kakhulu.
Shout out to her, man. Shout out to her. Big up to her.
No, she's strong.
She's strong, man. Yeah, she's strong, my brother. Alright, but again, my brother, siyakubona bakhuluma ngabo bosisi wethu la ngaphandle yabona, especially with, that's why when my brother podcast idlala indima elikhulu la, because since ngoba nama podcast my brother sebaningi manje labakhona ukuphuma basho ukuthi emile kanti wena into leso mina okay bakhona labantu ofika for clouds ngiyakhumbula ngibona le trending video where my sister athi yena bikalana nemaphara
angayibukilanga le because you know why sorry ngabukeli sorry ukuvala mlomo yalo ntombatane le yesangoma like ne podcast le yakhona bashuthela embhedeni wabona
khona ngibonile bashosithi
ngizethile yabona ayikabi ngize ngahlama engasebadedela
that's why ngithi mina bese kuba nalawa imali
because even yona le
yemaphara I was like
yabona le sangoma even le sangoma basi bamthengile lo muntu yena ngicela bathi bayalo nalo because bathi le mali ngayo because ishayile phela on top of the charts le ishayile
gijimile ngibonile ngathi bekufenda yona vele kulelo konjani yakhe mfana
shithile Rockman ngathi Rockman yana
but ma podcast asita bese sekuba nale element
sikumuntu so
yokubreka abantu yokubreka abantu netkuthi umuntu ufuna ama followers ufuna nema trends nani
because kunebantu abayi3 like guys ne so ngababili usimuna sikhulume about the episode yabo Chukchuk babili ngani baba ajola 99 but masingashuthi bayakhuluma uSichukchuk babadala you understand so nyani mangithi bashuthi bafuna nami babadala so shoot ngathi guys la
no akusho my brother lithi no labantu basayina ama NDA ukuthi kungakhuluma especially in public ukuthi kungasho phela ukuthi sibadala
lokhu kusukona lapho bangibazi asibadala sizokhuluma sinanzana that's why guys no I don't have money for that you understand
yabona lama lokuthanza kutrenda ukuthi ugcina usufuna nemali mara shout out to the sister man for being strong and telling his story, you understand? Because the story sakhe isibonekele yena. Understand? I don't think the story was too fun if I was khulumi umuntu.
Bengesifane.
Likunasinguye mara kutshele naye.
That's the reason ukuthi kukahle usungathola someone ofana naye.
So khona khuluma, understand?
Because this one ifuna sinathe abantu abaningi because tiyendeka into everything.
Bese bona my brother so waqala ke so ba especially uma unomntwana nentombatana my brother. So uqala soba into encane nje uyathuka uduyo.
Yethusa.
You understand? You understand? So sabakushiya umntwana nabhuti wakho.
Labo malumbe laba cruel lapha.
Exactly my point.
Cruel. Stouting. Day before yesterday, I think it was Wednesday. Ngibone SDP be drive around. Malay Black Queen. Nabo ngasibane event idlala music. Zoom. My brother. Bebala ngaphandle Black Queen. I think bacathi mhlawumbe bavulile. They never even waited for even 10 minutes. Bashal get.
Sisikhathi sokukhangaza my brother.
People they want masses. People they want masses. So one minute no mayima bafuna mass.
Sisikhathi sokukhangaza. Sisikhathi sakhona my brother. Babhokile ngetingane siyabona lamalanga ungaphokolwa ngisomething estradini sakho fast balunga. You understand? Tinsita tifika fast. You understand? Nini besicomplaina ngemanzi dala la kulenzayo manje ngasola wafika ngakhumbula nje banamhlala ngakhona ngalitulu. Gijima amavatela kan fast. Yabona? Utolo ngikhuluma ngamagogo. Sakhuluma namagogo saxoxa namagogo. Silangibuta ukuthi nje lapha kulo wakho Jojo manje khona. Ngithi namuhla ngiyacabanga ngingenile ebusuku. Lawa wakho uthi akulawa makakhulu kahle lokungena ngobe ilo kanjani yakhe ufaka itulu kwani Jojo ufaka itulu ube so akusilula lokuthi akhuphuke
pressure
nga pressure kahle so mara Kanza ungamfonela fast lo bayeta fast
ngibani ngimondile kambi ngaleni
uthanya lo weta fast akufakela manje kuba ngiloko kuba right yabona
Wala fast.
Okay, hayi.
Who's the fast?
Izinto zishintshile, you
Who's the
understand?
fast?
So
Yeah.
but abakhankasa my brother.
Bakhangaza.
Bakhankasa my brother.
Yeah, bakhangaza. Oh no, basebenzela bakhangaza.
Sithembe ukuthi lamavoti ebafuna ngiyabawathola. Bathola abantu abadeserve ukuthola amavoti.
Aisha my
Hayi labo
brother.
kwenta tinto langa lesifuna koneke ngawo. Senifuna amavoti. So nakhaya. Understand? But hayi singapolitiki kakhulu my brother.
My brother mina ngithukile nyana. Ngithuswa indzaba yegezi. Ngoba after elections ubona sipho.
Lo umkhombile my brother yeah kumele cheating. Ya umkhombile ukuthi iyaqala namuhla lo cheating ngazange.
Friday.
Umkhombile ito.
Okay.
Ngazange ibe khona. Ngicabanga because
After election my brother I'm telling you.
back to
So banenhlanhla efikilo. Nyalo banjilo digubhu nyalo cishe tonke into vele.
yeah ngibona asekunenyanga yana usibabhizi ngelenza belithi kubo. Sekunenyanga yana my brother
Dedura bale case
my brother bathi ingazifike ku 5. My brother khohla
people
ayina yi-own.
My brother people are crying. Crying.
Kuroba my brother.
Basiyadura ni.
Gezi ukhuphukile my brother. Gezi my brother ukhuphukile kakhulu hayi kancane.
And why ilona mara le organization lerana South Africa why ngikhipha imali ibhadale Eskom bhadale abantu bayo Eskom nidi Africa ikoloti
Organization
lerana South Africa
ngiphe
ANC
le political party angeke phela iEskom ufuna ibhadale ilo kanjani ufuna ibhadale igovernment
imperial government run ANC run
my entities lahlukile lawo awafani my brother ngeke sonke sinema political parties which means sonke si obliged.
Okay, why government inganceda abantu bayo babhadale Eskom?
Hey, leyo my brother nami ngiyafisa kuyathi. Le ukuthi why government ingabhadali. Mara I remember lo moya mfana. I remember lo moya mfana sesowethu le outcome sesowethu uthi khaya wagcina ukuthanga gezi wangena amadela. After lapho zange siphinde sibhadale gezi. Cishe ngathi sowethu yonke bathi njani. Understand?
Yeah.
But tinhlanhla tima lokushatify.
Yeah, no.
Understand? So tsinela abanye hayi we have to pay. Yabona? Siyabhadala. That's
Yeah,
why.
no, you know, you only gezi yadura guys. I know gezi yadura. Ayo gezi yadura.
So tila ndikhuphukile my brother for me gezi ngibonile nje itolo or the day before yesterday bafakile lapha ukuthi ipetrol yehla yehlile. Lapha ku 2 rand something. 3 rand something.
Brother, no, asinanzaba nepetrol, sinanzaba nedizili. Idizili ngileleza
Kuyithuna.
Oyilethe kuyithuna.
Kuyithuna. Angekwehle ipetrol diesel ilile.
Akuyehla kunye kunye
Wehlile the only difference with my brother ukuthi ipetrol my brother regulate i-government.
Yeah.
I-diesel regulate. You understand? I-diesel noma ingehla sekuthi kwalama petrol station ukuthi ayehlisa ngakanani. I-petrol my brother bangathi 2 rand 50 ilitha. Yonke indawo ufuna kwa 2 rand 50 ilitha. I-diesel i-government ngathi 3 rand diesel. Doesn't mean ukuthi yonke indawo toba ngi 3 rand diesel. You understand? Labe bangathi hayi la saying 5 rand. Yabona?
I know things are expensive.
So my brother konke kukhuphukile. Konke kukhuphukile my brother.
Saba nokudla lapha endlini.
Ngendlela tinokukhuphukela khona my brother. Yabona ukuthi saba nokudla lapha endlini.
Saba nokudla.
Ubona abantu ukubakela msindo mfana. Yatula vile ubona abantu bakubakela. My brother nokukhuphukela to an extent where unema out la hamba la ngaphandle. Agubha base agubha tinzanga.
Yani.
Da Telkom.
So bese
But things.
Kodwa singene bebayenda nini ngalakhaya bakubha angathi
Bagubha tinzanga da Telkom. Bathengisa ngala yithi bagubhile ngibo laba bele kumadelikisi. Bashaya inzamba igezi.
Bacela manje bandolo inzamba egezi.
So bafuna inzamba da Eskom. Bayishayila zange bayikhiphe. Bayishaya basho
bayina nje bayithengisela bayina njani ngayo bathola imali.
Yeah, but obvious. Awuthengisa ngithola imali ngempela.
Bonile nini bebakubha ngicathi mina is a project is
it's a project. Banjonja 99 emini.
My brother utotsini.
99 emini.
Utotsini mina ngicathi ngabo heritage.
Now at first because then once say in there for it's been a couple of weeks now.
Yeah, mina ngibone it's been 2 months now.
Yeah, lelo sikudzalile. Lo magogo bengikhuluma naye washo ukuthi baze bamkhiphe leli nzambo. Uthi ubathuke wathi yini bafana. Yabo le nzambo lekhuphuka lengena la epaleni lami. La Telkom. Nzambo yami ayisiye. Kuze ukuthi kube nale nzambo le ngokosa ukuthi applyele ini iphone ka Telkom. Telkom angifakele iphone khipha imali ngibhadale. Ngabe sisithatha le nzambo yami sifuna ukuyithengisa ngathi ayisiye. Babrala abantu abashona 99 imi. Bathi babashayile nganaye one babuphisa.
Nakona khabe kwendikile nginingi ngasekutsana.
Yeah, khoma mabrala ukuthi bubi banalambile.
People are hard.
Abantu balambile.
People are hard. So usitawena njani? Hey, njalo uthi there's a post le uthi mhla but it's 30 July ne? You know, the top star.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's 30 July uthi
Bonke wo driver.
Bonke wo driver if you're a foreigner.
Yeah. Bonke wo driver bima foreigner. Ay yeah. Okay, wo driver bima foreigner. My brother. Ati tukotipani ne. Kuvamise ukuba nema hierarchy. Yabona. Kuvamise ukuba nema level emisebenzi. You understand?
Yeah.
But ngendlela dino setibhetsa ngakhona.
That's why wenza.
Yeah.
Any opportunity leyo lona uyahwaya.
Shout out to Mbonile Shoprite lana bafakile 60.
Yeah, shout out
to them. Bafowethu at least baqashekile yabona. Nenda ngikhona ukunderstand ukuthi leti tututu dabo or titutu da Shoprite bona baqashwe understand.
Engathi labanye ngasipasta.
No, shout out to that man. Akufani bafowethu bato hlala cash kancane. You understand?
Yeah.
It's unfortunate ngive abantu futhi bona bacomplain about hey like ithi ngase ayifiki.
Singafika.
Yeah.
Mhlambe senema.
Yeah, ngicabanga njalo ngodaya but yabona kubo ngala kuthi kwane bato shaya imali. Shoprite because basekugcinani complex angisho. So kulula ukuthi baqashe isitututu sense operate bona senento
yabona simbili ngale ndlela ukukhala labanye kujabule labanye ukukhala bemateksi nyalo kujabule
100%.
Yeah, life is going to be
that 100%, but my brother to an extent funa bakhale nabo ukuze ukuthi bavelane exactly
ulumsele into lebayinanyana
exactly
because nyalo mabathi asiduduleni bemateksi now will take over. Yeah, yabo
so nabo kufuna bakhale my brother ukuthi el customer lanaye mfethu
chief
njengoba ubona labo ma sisters bancenga sona ukuthi babe podcast customer lancenga kanjani customer lancenga kanjani
so ncenga noma singafika ku thousands
siyancenga 10,000 siyancenga still understand so lokuthi kube nale 60 i challenge.
Yeah, it is a challenge.
I challenge for bemateksi. Hopefully nabo bato inventa something or badopte some
yona lento le strategy lokuthi bathi bukhamba bahamba.
Yeah, baqala nabo njalo.
Because lesikhathi bathi bona kathi mhla ka 30 June bathi business is going to be usual to them. We mistake
cool.
Yeah, you mistake with but oh, this support.
Yeah,
but I'm sorry, you know why, my brother. Go to many taxi ranks, ne? Tala like it's in Bombay. Go and check the Baba Baba. They are foreigners.
Ne?
Yeah.
I can believe.
Yeah, they are foreigners. Many of them, they are
I can believe.
Taxi. Running Bobabe. Lebe ma South African leba shonile sevos do babe loya bekazama kulwa ngale system lokuthi people abalapha office yeah abantu bokhamba abantu abalapha office ma foreigners ekhaya angathi how many times ndoda ekhaya bekune certificate ema taxi tsala my father lost that certificate ne all these fathers lapha obobozo bamati kuba but laba ngane abasiba la
but la bekagijima nabo umuntu umdala bamati
and bayasaba bathi labantu lapha ngesiye kubo labantu ababangane ngendlela and benza mistake bafakwe ngibo labantu bema office nyalo sebabahluli so it's a problem. You understand? Check the taxi rank that the wing calling ngakho you can tell with those people abangidlulisela lapha except abantu basemalokishini abangcolisi ngicela abantu bokuhamba abantu bokuhamba abangcolisi
akusibani balala abangcolisayo mina sengibonile my brother because wabona naye nange mashoni manje mhla ka-30 June wabona bekuhlubile ilo kanjani
even nela elokishini
lokukhwethi my brother even nyalo my brother let's take this so funny my brother ngibona nyalo mangita la hlala lo my sister qetha kuhle itaxini la ngase complex qetha kuhle itaxini uyehla ufuna ukudlula le taxi kancane tokhona kuwena but akakhona ukudlula le taxi kancane because ufuna emela stratini you understand because la paving la befuna eme khona bathengisa lapha
ne-store
ku-paving
ne-tuck shop ngengase South Africa
I see yada
and just imagine ukuthi kunebantu labacashile ukuthi kufuna ba-check labo bantu labo kanti boy beme la ngafuna kade beme khona
mara kude labantu
bakhona my brother abawendi umsebenzi lo besedrobheni on Tuesday or Monday those people labo befuna benela ba-check abantu ukuthi facility band banoma la police station ukuthi beme ngathi moto stage lapha beme abasendi ngale mabhasini ngifuna bayithe abaseyendi andasingabali
ngale mabhasini my brother akhohlwa ngalena akusangeni
but kanyalo khathi nyalo kuyimachini match bebangekho bekuhamba bona nabo bantu lapho
so my brother kumloko nje but nabo bantu bemateksi ishara to them ukuthi basukume babone ukuthi nabo bazama ukurectify ngendlela yabo you understand obviously lokho kuchaza ukuthi umsebenzi awuvuleke
my brother umsebenzi ufuna uvuleke vele ngengani by force ufuna uvuleke
you understand
mina angisho ukuthi ngiyapromote namabhizinisi namakhulu ne ngiyafisa ukuthi even bathi Shoprite bathi umuntu omnyama unomuntu omnyama ngebekisa understand yeah but kwanyalo nganisolo singafika ngale level leyo because abantu abamnyama asikahlangana but malona lafana nabo Shoprite my brother ngisho babhadala ama-UPF babhadala ama-UPF so I can't promote many people laba ma South African bathengisa emgwaqeni you understand because bese bona bo Shoprite bo whatsoever labo seswethe balapha Shoprite nabo Bootway lapha babhadala ama-UAF you understand wena ubhadala yini awubhadali la uhleli khona awubhadali muntu ubhadala protection fee lesingayadi and everything efana naleyo so eish
bathenga sitoko sabo basithengisele kudla kwakhona aku-inspector akubuka ukuthi ku-right kube njani unlike ku-Shoprite
ngiyakuva lokuthi ku-cheap yes I don't mind that but yonke into cheap my brother inema-consequences
there's a reason why we cheap my brother there's a reason behind the cheap
yeah inema-consequences
because ngale Shoprite ukhumbule my brother lapha Shoprite lesingwa kumbe litamatisi ufuna libhadale sisi wakho libhadale i-UIF libhadale lo inspector libhadale ama-aircon libhadale i-building libhadale igezi you understand wena lelakho litamatisi
bhadala wena kuphela
fethu
usumnjonjile
le mathayera lo wakhile laphana uwantshontshile lamakapu uthathe amakapu aka-Telkom wathatha wona wakhangayo you understand
angifanele nini bathi ngathi sengibhontshile kanti siyisusa nini ngathi guys mina angangitshela ukuthi ngibhontshile ngoba I once stood up for ilikazi so
yeah
mina ngifuna umuntu lo toyicala naye mina ngidongenelela
yeah utomsupport
ngidongenelela la
but uthi uyisuse
I'm tired my brother kunini uyisuse
uthi uyisuse
my
my
brother
brother
many things like tisusile kanyamazana
yeah
support
but yeah kuloko my brother shout out to laba pushako shout out to my out sibonile 66 njengoba ngisho ukuthi ingenile
yeah shout out to
them my out our pushing sicela ke ukuthi hey my brother sicela ukuthi lama company lamakhulu my brother I-check le certificate I-check lama-ID labantu bala sima-fake documents
and lenye notho zingaba buhlungu le foreigner nemali South African nemali senesitududu cishe lo
so kuba ngiloko my brother
ngabo sembodings
exactly there's kunema-foreigners my brother lahlala ngale maveni awo mara makuphela inyanga babuya ngalabantu abahola impesheni ngala South Africa you understand lokhu kuthathela sikwa sabo bhuku wethu
ash my brother
You understand?
Eish.
Ngibonile nje baphostile ngalabo juice clinic quiet my brother. Uzasho lo mayisisi uthi hey yadla clinic tino disemina fast namuhla angathi why.
Bayasho sikhamba tamba ona yini.
Tino tashelela.
Shout out to Jacinta.
Shout out to Jacinta. Shout out to Jacinta man. Hayi
bayela mthakatha ke kancane.
Imbokodo Jacinta.
Bayela mthakatha umphule moya.
Wena kanimhla kutshela ukuthi une propaganda.
No bayela. No angisho ukuthi ngiyamkhipha ne. But sengisho ukuthi ngiyala ngasabi face kakhulu.
Ngeke abe face. Vele face ifana ukushela.
Yeah, Jacinta ngabi face kakhulu. Yeah.
But shout out to that my brother. But kunini okwendekako evini bafana ba open chats bakhala ngale ingwenya. Podcast open chat podcast. Ndabe ma ashkarai na.
Yeah, bumthu.
Yeah, litwana lifa.
Ngibona ngathi bayakhala
bakhala.
On the spot. What was happening?
Live. Bekakhala lo mishira mtshela ngendlela angisito lesengakhona kulifa.
Awukhalela kanini into lehle?
Lifa ukhalela ukuthi bamlahlile. Allegedly.
Laphana lebi banabo lapha ke.
Yeah, one of the girls.
Umtshela usima uneshito lehle wena.
Yeah.
Sena lo sodubula
Right. I think because I'm ngayibukilanga le episode but for context ngathi ichamukela ukuthi akhulume ukuthi hey yena ulahliwe kanjani yabona sebamconsolidate ukuthi hayi she ungakhali uzoba mnandi out the grand siyakhala lengwenya I understand itolo bakureleasele episode akunabo sino khona yabona sino ngandi bayithule bafana kuna mthu ngisho sikunele nemhlophe
yibe ikhala
nale yena emhlophe kakhulu Ithanza tiro bhecele nje bathi
angilandzeli kakhulu manje
ngiyole khipe le ngoma ebili ngiyole nale ntola le yamhleke ihlekele Brian kudaba ibrother na pipe zakhala ikhalela ukuthi bayilahlile manje thatha thobezelo nje ufaka lapha kule status sakhe ukuthi
no, very we pass such things sometimes in life when you grow up, my brother. Masengalawanga umuntu obucabanga ukuthi uyakuthanza. I was thinking kunabakwale vele.
No njani.
Kunabakwale.
Standard issue.
Asathi salela bayingakhi, asathi salela bayingakhi. So
standard issue.
Yeah, I need to pass such stages. But shout out to him ukuthi ukhalile lapha same time because ukhala kubalekile my brother. But indoda ayikhali banemanga, ukhala. Yeah, but yena utokhula lelinye ilanga uzokhala in private.
Ukhala in private. Ukhipha kofuyila lapho kabe ukhala uma live TV.
To was strong. Mhlawumbe uzolithola enye intombi lapha basetula abantu nenye intombi fanele semsomile sometime bathami ngokuphatha kahle.
Ngabona bakhala labo bokusoma nani
nebusi aqolisele inhliziyo yakho. Hayi.
Buva kahle
nabatholisele inhliziyo yakho.
Buva kahle buva kahle.
You say usine namatane le bayitholile.
Yeah. Nama sisi bamthole la ngasemfuleni kaMagugu.
Ngasemfuleni phela ngicabanga le kati.
Ngasemfuleni kaMagugu la Mgonya River.
Yeah.
Igama lakhe abantu balile ngathi Simphiwe Osiphiwe.
Bathwa ku.
Abakasho la ukuthi baku. Sasa ngithola lelo. Bathi ngisiphiwe.
Akusimu the same spot la kwangena khona labantwana nyalo nyanga.
Angikho sure ukuthi directly nguphi but babaleke kaMagugu la Mgonya River.
Masiko awasahambi kahle abasaweni.
Yeah,
akusasiyo. Yeah, masiko awasahambi kahle into sekuyadendela lemvelo seyadithathela.
Ngathi ngibani Simphiwe Nyalunga or something mara yeah somewhere there I may be wrong.
Abantu ngisikwendekaleini and everything.
Ubulewe it looks like ubulewe vele.
Umphosa emfuleni.
Bamshela ngaphansi la kwemfula bathola i-condom few meters away from me and I understand that but it's still an ongoing case. But my brother lengine ngaba concerned is normally my brother and lo muntu uthola foreign national illegal foreign.
Ngabe uhambile ngaba sikamtholanga. Ngabe simxoshile. Bese bahambe. Ayangahambi inyalo
ubhacile ukuthi bahambe ubhacela pha wathola lo muntu wagijima e-police station ngokubika lecala.
Akade ukuthi akababoni akafana ngabantu. Oh, let's tell them
I understand. So, hey, my brother, you know, let me say, I'm be concerned futhi ukuthi normal sikubona if ngabe umuntu ulahlekile my brother. Unyamalele maybe a day or two. Banokuposta bathi sicela nisifundiseni. Lo asikaboni, I understand. So it made me question with Ish. 17 years again, don't score.
But you like again.
Aside, that's the thing.
Okay, yeah.
You understand?
Actually, was not social of life.
Yeah, not was social of high. Yeah, not social of high. Yeah, not social of high. You understand? But angabonanga la kunama postcode lathi nimlalo lashiki. You understand? Sivela sokuthi hey bathule mntwana 17-year-old.
Yeah.
Wasolo vela nje.
I don't know. Kana ningilo na niyiboni
but let's say lokufunza kakhulu. Lelo filter ngilinde ka last year. Ngibonile le. Uyipostile lo muntu again but yedeke last year le ukuthi lo mntwana bamthule atikhungile.
Ma 16.
Like ma 16.
Kana lo mfana watikhunga ngambe.
Hayi wathi yeah, hayi watikhunga mfana. Yeah, so hey my brother. Ngimangaliswa ukuthi abaka report ukuthi kunina lo nyamalele yabona ekhaya sola kabuyi into njalo. But sekutholakala sidumbu sakhe.
Mhlawumbe uthola ngilabantwana ukuthi batshela ukuthi usesikoleni ko-res nganyalo Facebook grade 12.
Hey,
angikwadi. Yeah, no one knows. But itovakana.
Itovela, yeah. So sembe ishema ukuthi sithi futhi walinihlanga emndenini. Hey, hayi bona kubuhlungu my brother.
Asibalele ibuhlungu. Ngibali manje le soccer player le shonile ngasithi
Jaden Adams eish
bathi kundikaleni kahle
indzaba yakhe solo ayiphumi ukuthi kahle kahle kunini but a lot of people allegedly ngathi ma-suicide. You understand? Cabanga lo mfana it's his first time udlalela iBafana Bafana. First time World Cup udlalela I think a match. I think una 1 cap. Yeah, asaqala kuphakama but during the World Cup bashid ukuthi ushone gokwakhe ngasokuthi gokwakhe. Yeah. Yabona ushone gokwakhe and then after lo bangekho right nje so asikho sho ukuthi ngiyo le bangele ukuthi kwendeke lokwendeke because nalokhu tikhunga is still alleged.
Yeah, kusengavakalanga.
It's not fact.
Let's hope akajoyinanga letinto letibhetsa ngoba hey
understand
because labanye abantu bajoyina letinye tetinto uvathi allegedly nganginalona kwagcina bathi ngilona it doesn't bayikhulume straight bo rhetoric allegedly ukuthi bathi we sacrifice this thing nana sebeyifuna lo mbani that's why it's allegedly
ma sacrifice wenu bo Illuminati lo kafutheni mina vela ngulanzeleli uma conspiracy theory yangu entertain event but kunalelenye futhi man mfana ngimkhohlwa igama lakhe man bekadumile man mfana man ende lo kuma chance kule bantu nje ngathi intwana nje isikolo igcoke ilo kanjani isikolo ugcole abantu lamva kwayo bafana besikolo ene thatha nomxolo lento leyo uyashisa yeah na ishonini ngathi bese ngathi idlala iRugby lentwana bese idlala eFrance yeah mdaki bese idlala eFrance now you should I think same week maybe 2 days apart or ilanga bathi ngathi beni cardio arrest heart attack ngathi beni heart attack and adlala yona iRugby because ngathi adlala iRugby futhi adlala eFrance understand
RIP to him
so RIP to him as well hey kube kahamba ama-out
nanginalona ushonile lo bangodluka be-active generation
hey Sputla Kenneth Mashaba hey mfana and asatrenda nini atrenda ngathi bambonele ahleti
ngibonile
asatrenda few weeks back hayi lesi esipecoco my brother abe-actor le Khulumani be-actor le Khulumani
RIP to him.
La lapho silahlekile lapha.
Yeah, shonile.
And ngisatibuta ngithi mina hey labo magogo nalabo madala laba actor engathi bahamba.
Eish my brother. Ne-depression yeshayana.
Engathi bahamba.
Shaya ngoba ngathi wena bathi ishukela ne? Alleged.
Yeah.
Sugar complications, something like that.
Yeah. Shejoy diabetes. RIP to him man. Hey little Adphel mara kufuna sidlulile kude. Kufuna sikhulume ngathi.
Yabo nami namhla ngina energy kahle.
Ngiyakubona my brother ukuthi
angathi kumbe nginamabhokisi lengodlaka sengigcwabile eyangishekisa. Mama bamcaba bamlethe amabhokisi bathi ngithatha amabhokisi ngiyawadla. Angihambisa ngesizwe. Yo my brother ngina energy. Yo angihambisa ngesizwe. Yes.
My brother wena baphatha kulo mdala amabhokisi wena mbiza amabhokisi asemgcobeni.
Mama akawadle yena ngani? Akadle.
Wena uthatha ngo.
Mina ngiyathanda amabhokisi yabo. Angishekisa. Angina energy namuka. Angihambisa blind ngesizwe yabo. That's why ngizidala ngicina kulala kancane. Mara sporting. Yeah, shout out to Inyal bagcina bayithola ngizaba aka ukuthi hey I was happy and because nami vele ngimfaka ukuthi hey mina ngimsebi ukuthi ngwelo yini so lo mntwana.
Hey bafethu.
Like the other time we want to talk about ukuthi hey mina aka ngimsebi yabo.
My dog. Yabona singaya ngemthetho wase South Africa lokubhalela lapha ku constitution ukuthi everyone is innocent until proven guilty.
Yeah, ishibona vele.
Because bantu sebagwinya amagama abo mina.
Siyagwinya nami ngiyagwinya ami.
I-pressure beyifakwa.
Inkinga lokuya kusilosi kwaba ne-editorial thing kasi ngibona phula minyaka. You understand nento leyo. So wavele wathi I know this thing it can be possible. You understand? Yeah.
But nawo ke sekubonakala ukuthi but inkinga wona my brother akusikuqala azama ukuthi bulala lo shira.
Basho njalo.
You understand? And naleni leyo ikuyaphuma before ashona boyithu bashona. You understand?
Mara into lepora ukuthi even nayo le hotel wayibeso le ifihla le malona for statistics so.
No, I don't think bayafihla isikhathi leside. I think information bayinika amaphoyisa.
So why did it took
it's
so
just ukuthi akusulula ukuthi uthathe private information uyinikete ma-journalist.
I think bebafuna ukuyimokola lento.
Befuna mokola ngobani?
Befuna ukuyimokola ngibona khona.
Befuna mokola ngobani?
Labanye bafuna ukuyimokola. Ambona lo baba that's why bekamile umbona baba.
No, that's what I mean when my brother would say I think because bathi lento le ihotela ayina right yokuthatha such a sensitive video ikhombe
even ama-phone calls
exactly
ama-phone calls ukuthi aka ufonile vele asho ukuthi
ayina right nokwenza naloko you understand because these are private things you understand but maphoyisa ane right and amaphoyisa anawo onke lama records njengokuthi wena bocama befuna ukuyimokola I think bafuna ukuyimokola ngale isiphoyiseni kuhle tinto dingaziphume ngala because bani lefuna basigale information le ngamaphoyisa you understand asho ukuthi thula information leso but shout out to News 24 ukuthi kholile kuye hotela tinto taphuma you understand tinto tiphumile hey umfana sofelelide
because it's not so very
it has been alleged my brother ukuthi umfana ngululu
abale ndomatana yabona naloko kube allegedly vele
yabona but akusima facts
they're not facts
it's just alleged mara asekuhluma kusoma njani
Aish my brother
but batu ngicabanga naye
lokwendekile sekwendekile
solele ngithula
even nale family yakhe mjamia seyithunja nyana sefuna bayigijimise nyalo ngale indlela phela because bafuna bacheck ukuthi ngibani babulale aka kamka kubonke labantu bathenga ngibani nako konke
bakile bazama ukushaya my brother babala ngathi what brothers
Mcaba brothers
abasephizi 10 nani
bathulile nabo lamalanga aseva lutho ngabo
bahlelile tindabo bahlelile tinto babekeza idini bathola bazidumo understand
inkela uthi uklinile into devumbuke
angihlabe kude ngavumbuka
na Ramaphosa bekathi uklinile kanti lesikhathi icala lipharaphala
kude
bamhlela
kude bukhani mahlala bebathi baklinile
kwani why manje sosaba testify
basoshintsha imqondo bamthembisile utaphambi uhambe mfana wakho ukuhambisa emhlabeni you'd never know
abana nayo netimpilo ngale ngendlela manje abana mina ngiyafisa ukumthola umuntu atsanga amanene ngibulale for but bese batomprotecta mos
uyafisa ukuthola umuntu
athi fok hayi ngiyakhuluma mina
ungaba nguwele kuloyo mos
angeke vele mina bangifake vele intweni
bangathi leya is by
khuluma mina my brother if you need to set other people free ukusele babuke wena ugodle information
godle my brother
you saw the clip engikuthumele yona about the mama khuluma ngalo Facebook ngithumele iclip ubone
leli lo sende lo uthumele nini
ito namhla kuseni
kasathi
yena akhuluma ngaMandela ukuthi Mandela was not in prison blah 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 so even I can't matlala need very never say never ngani ngilindele ukuthi yena mkhonazi usasa sibunziya philisi get a protection nakhe matlala idinga kakhulu. So we don't know. I'm not in his shoes, yabo.
Hayi wena tawukhumbule ukuthi the people aba involved but laba powerful.
Yeah, they mean.
Ba powerful ngendlela ukuthi bakhona influence amaphoyisa. You understand? So the protection yenu yongendelana ngobe nokuthatha nemfebulu with protection. Ngiyogada amaphoyisa lapha. Linye iphoyisa lokubhadalwa na shalo umuntu inhloko.
Why bangambulali lo so?
Bani?
Why ngani baba powerful why mkhona solo bamsapha
ayikuthi bamsapha mkhwanazi uchazile my brother wathi bantu lahamba nabo bantu letikhethele bona letikhethele yena bona understand that's why likhulu ahamba naye uyithatha lapha esipoyise imvelo basebenza nabo sebenza eminyaka basebenza bonke uyabadi and same crew ngiyo le crew le ngathi yangena one of them for 2 yini bangena ka angikho ukuthi lo ngakhetha kumbe bengabani kumbe bekunga kama umela kumbe bekungilali lengoya ngibani kheni kunene bekhona mara khona laba kufika bangena khona babheke investigation wafika amaphoyisa aseJozi abamisa kuthi malini kancane le investigation bas seba segedini sebangenile egedini you understand bafika babarafisa you understand so uhamba ni bantu leka bathemba angicabanga la ukuthi ngahamba yona abantu yena khona bampekele abantu yena
yabona vele kusilu akhetha hayi
ushintshile hayi ingoma seyigucukile nya
hayi itshintshile 306 ejiya
eguquka hayi akasafuni ukukhuluma njalo akasafuni ukukhuluma
ukuthi bamthembise ukuthi mhlambe utophuma
bamthembise ukuthi ama uphuma lapho mfana
but there's no one who's untouchable 100% in life. Yeah, there's no one who's 100%. Untouchable. And yabona mina if I was given a chance, I don't know mhlambe simangivale khona ngani, but if I was given a chance to rescue millions and millions of people, my brother, no ngani laba believe eBhayibhelini bangicaba ukuthi Jesus Christ wafela tonto but why now ungafela tonto labanye abantu
rescue them how
speaking the truth and give give evidence.
What is the truth?
He knows yena ukuthi bebamfunela yini.
Oh, clear cat. Yes. Hey, imagine my brother njengoba ngisho so thukile and labantu losho wena kubona ukuthi nguwe bakhuluma bekho kangaka emhlabeni ngicabanga ngowedwana
hayi nami thosi ngikhulumela yanga
ngivele indlela nawo indlela yakho ukukhuluma la asathi basole isikhwama ukuthi izinto ukuthi uthini la kuwe
indlela yami
yeah but hayi ingwenye ivale umlomo ukuthi ayisakhuluma so ngicabanga ukuthi embongweni futhi wamvalele kancane
akona ikumadini
yabo
akona kumadini South Africa
yatrenda athembani lo machine match yatrenda phakela yatrenda Jacinta ngibonke itolo sakhulele enzawo bathi beyikuphi but njengoba bathi machine match every Thursday yaqhubeka ngibonke itolo baphusha i-machine match bahamba kuyithuna bantu babhale lapha ukuthi sathana ngeke bahlukanise bani
sathana basho president
sathana ngeke shukuthi phela basathana ngeke bahlukanise bani But ibuya successful kuhle nekudlenza ukuthi ngikuphi my brother mphakathi cha uphumile my brother mphakathi ngibonile na kwendeka lokhu le Nigeria libanjiwe na 250,000 worth of drugs
manje ngibo bathi
Antalthole airport
yeah nayo
naiva le South Africa uthini wena le South Africa
it's not that guy who was wona bambone athenga imoto
lo munye futhi understand
yeah
so nje my brother but friend abo 2K bona at least they are still together bapusha
no bapusha my brother then lebe bathi bayifaka kubo abeme kancane
indiki if kuthi iphakela bamnikide isikhwamanyana akakhulume ukuthi president umphile isikhwama ngobe babenyoni lenza lesikhwama vela akayiva
ayish mina ngicaba ukuthi mawusongene lapha sokuphuma ngathi awusavakali
ingoma yakho seyishulile
ilona yakhe ilanguage yakho se ayisavakali you understand yeah that's the problem about from that day ukuthi phakela kasafani from that day
zinotshintshile
and what's yena ubanika 7 days ufuna ke court ufuna kunema file ufuna kwakhipha so kuphelele emoyeni that's
sayanga ecourt akusana ma file
ay court eparliament akasayo eparliament
akusana ma file
akasayibani ukuyibala naye abasamquestion ukumquestion so it's one of the things ukuthi usawu kani president semuntu omuhle nyalo kuyi
kanzani
mina ngizondana mina
yeah usho njalo uthi akazonde umuntu
but one day badocabana boyithuna ngizwe umuntu oyikhipha lenzaba angehlali my brother angeke sibambane for life because yalento enikana if there was a deal bekhona lapha loyi wana ayithatha le deal okay bayithatha bethi loyi wana maphuma ngaphandle athi mina ngivisise le deal yakhe le yabo seloyi wana batombuthi sawo endoda kanti umuntu wakho soyena njani osi phela lo muntu soyalo understand athi am expose athi nguye rothethe le mali you understand makuthi khona naloko yeah because you move ukhona la athena utothola abantu imisebenzi tode le contract lenzaba le uyithole president usistovula imisebenzi mfubani and kuna ayifeza phela le usathi kutrenda yini my brother so
ngibuta wena uthi lokwelo kutrenda I
don't know, check me brother, was trending. I mean my phone I record.
Yilo kumbulawo.
Ngishare kuphela kimi.
Besides share my brother. For this episode
I don't know musingazohambi nale energy yami ke.
Ngoba ngihlale kabi nale energy yakho vele ngoba nayo ngobe wena yena usoshintshile, yayibona.
Lo trenda ku Slap Black Queen we were supposed to have Maspinas last week. And Maspinas never showed up.
Ngifuna ukubuta my brother benjani episode ya last angayibuke phela ngimara ngiyabona ukuthi hey masitujula nyuwane. Benjani episode ya Saturday?
Oh mangnala bo the staff.
Oh, the staff.
Yeah, staff Slap Black Queen.
Okay.
Manifesting esicethele yaqala. That day, that same Saturday, ufuna ukuthi Maspinas the what you call this, the organizer of the Spinners guys was there and they were paid allegedly.
The Spinners.
The Spinners that they were supposed to come and but we tribute I don't know who's that guy who passed away.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so they were tires and everything. No na nyibotso ukuthi ngidlulele kude nale kwandi bekhona. Yeah, so I heard ukuthi ngathi sabotage lekhona towards the event leyo. I don't know, but I heard allegedly yeah ukuthi kune sabotage other local businesses people sabotage lelo cause those spinners they agreed bakhuluma nabo ngoba basho ukuthi sola kusasendleleni bathethe imali but they never
bayeta till today solo bafike
solo bayeta mhlawumbe basethe na bethe ngehomoya so yeah no sabotage is going to be there my friend yeah that's normal sabotage will be there I don't know shout outs bonile bavalile amaphothula elikazi bavalile bavala lamanye khona
anko hibe wamsebenzi wabo
akusodothi mapha sesibonga ngona lenyambara lebendawo
uyiphothula nawo lokwendile lapha ukuthi akho
lapha
skundiri my brother kahle ngilade ngiphothula khona mara lelo waje ngingaka so
yalo sekunespithanga
my brother ayifika ukuthi la kudlala kahle la
yini my brother ngani ngani ngifaka amathenda nethenda ngikuphi lapho lokho kanjani
alika fine straight kwaqala mfayini Ngazake ndinduduma lakadala impithambe tingaki asathi maybe mhlawumbe bazafakela impilo ukuthi towela I don't know. I understand mara ngithi ngiyabonga hlala asimsebenzi omuhle nje ngikhipha imali yami ngento lokhu vele imali ayisithu mara yami tax isabhadala bathanda lapha bas-tax
athenda my brother. Oh, let's do the episode. Namshutana namajida na Chiro. It was right. It was fine. It's sharp. Even if you're not there. Yeah, no problem. And then my energy that day being a
my brother.
No, but I mean, spirituality. So sometimes you're off, sometimes you're on, but you need to do something. Why not? You understand?
My brother, what tell spirituality because it makes so record as mega man. I'm really is on. So it was nice. They were talking about the Black Queen. Yeah.
What's happening in Black Queen?
And it's about Black Queen.
Yeah, even when you are managing.
Yeah. So
Solomon. Yeah. Shout like I was so shocked with him. Man, my waiter. They say waiter they're making money maybe 2 times sometimes.
Ngima tips.
Yes,
yeah,
tips. And lana ngani futhi kune what do you call? There's a ngani wena ungaita ukuthenga tshwala kune service fee.
Oh.
Yes, bayifaka vele.
I know.
So a tip is a tip
yeah,
a tip is
but the service fee is mandatory. Funa vele uyikeep.
So just imagine. You understand?
I don't think
yeah, no, Black Queen, my brother, he deserved that. Yeah, he deserved. And the stories would see sometimes it's risky to buy weight because it's nothing. My brothers order my champagne. Must shine.
Dog, that's one thing Lenga couldn't understand. Yabona le method leyo nje ukuthi
yeah, ungene
enzaweni unasitshwala udle usuthe. Bese ubhadala after. I'm called we understand our brother.
No, but if they don't trust you, babhatalisa first.
No, but besides like the Queen Pena, my brother, my restaurant lamaning.
Yes.
And Nanjan.
Yes.
We are order, udle, ubhadale.
I think bendela lokuthi utokhona nokuthipa, you understand? Ukhona enjoy the ukudla.
Aba nabo. Abasale bene njenge-Black Queen bafake i-service fee.
Yeah, maybe, yeah.
You understand? Because my brother sakhula sikile sakwena lo give into sit down mhlalo odakudla zindle sesiphuma ngama 1
but ukubahamba
my brother sabhadala egcileni my brother basoshisa tindishi waphuma ngama 1 my brother yeah awazi my brother akhula my brother
nah
khula my brother
yeah so banokuhlambetana nelinkinga lefana naleli
yeah okay
there was good someone wamenda some other guys wamenda ngathi like ngathi bong 2000 le pay
full patrol man
ngoyi uthi after my view wahlana naye remote wathi amara wena why went so na was ongwadi mina
umuntu lenza ngamanje
so kuba tough to kulo kuba iwaiter kuba tough my brother kuba tough you were checking trending stories?
Yeah, nale tingo yeti two. Hey manu, Laos ngababita mamumi shop the day but
what happened?
The tingo nyaleti tamba ke PM shoza na BMW dealership. Angafuna lapha ya. Bangena lapha na security shoza babude, baskeni si license babude nsi. Niyanga kuphi which department? Security kutabona.
Yeah.
Tingwenya awusibuthi lokho wena awusibuthi ukuthi siyakuphi cha ukuthi sesingafika la singada ukuthi siyakuphi thina ngemuntu uhamba nge-BMW ngokusiko ka-VW la ka-BMW sihamba ngemamalithi imoto tabo million umuntu lo uhamba ngale moto le kufuna abe ahola 116,000
yona sekufika kumina lapho
lo muntu ufuna abhadala deposit 160,000 ahola 116,000 mamalithi millionaire in and urecorda ulungani wakhe uhleka exciting.
They were planning the thing that
I understand. Limit I think it's like 3 minutes something seconds. Awuthi izisho no bafethu mina lenti bengibuda because umsebenzi wami ukuthi ngibude ukuthi ngilokhona ku-director ukuthi nakusasa mabathi nibantu abafikile ngithi ngingathi mina angababudi kanti ba-director ngini yabona awusitshile lokho wena what zizi mamathi millionaires ngicanga ukuthi singakukholela wena what yabona so beyitrenda ithi trenda so my brother sebavela ke nyalo bayathi my brother social media fast so nawuthi la sibona abana bo 100 labantu bahola bo 116,000 monthly marumuntu akasebenza government bathi une business bathi yawo business nayo une internet cafe inathuma ma computer yenye isebenzi
116 rand
bathi yenye isebenzi lo muntu hamba ngeBM my brother I think M2 kumbe M4 ngwathi M3 something like that Lubega drive but une internet cafe
ingazi proper
ayikho proper nathuma lo kanjani nathu computers sebena liyi-1 vile ngathi bathi bashade my brother sebaba investigate nyana
social media
fast
so blanda fast
10k fast track fast my brother yalo babhizi batrenda ngathi badivuleka
yabona imali ukuthi yamisisana
yahlanya
ngikhumbula nyalo ngani imadlanga nyana khona ngikhumbula ibopha abantu bala elokishini bafowethu naboseswethu but there's another guy nyalo like we are trend le weekly ukuthi ngibone ngathi kuthenga iskavitha ne-TLP and he was one of the people lebekalapha like kutubale so yashu bamshuta sebapost amajida congratulations my brother but he was there lapha le scandal kusinethi imali enjonjiwe department le sizini
ngisho la eMpumalanga bangathatha i-private independent owned audit company i-audit kahle ngoma-tender ngobondeka lokuphuma la eMpumalanga sho abantu bangaboshwa mos
and then I even yona le case leyo phela ayikaphilanga
ayikapheli case
ayikapheli
case akapheli ngathi still ongoing
yeah so yabona ukuthi imali ngalinye indlela you know very well ukuthi there's a case lehambayo kwanyalo mhlambe imiya we don't know nyalo I don't know you wanna solo prove a point yakho ukuthi I'm on
ngiyitsha ayisazi my
no even noma automatically my brother if I'm going with you if you're taking a picture I can tell you you're taking a picture unless ngishuthe la spoon
mara ungangishuthi mangipost
vele ngishuthela ingane so if I remember ukuthi divide the picture
post
he was carrying the little ukuthi sold balunile lapha
no mina ngathi angiyada le ukuthi mbali kanti ngisabona
ngizolethu
hayi sayibongela le out
yeah no like this but sengikhulumela ukuthi mawukhulumela imali about those guys you understand sengibekana nalena ngisho wrong
yeah that's what I'm saying
yabona
lokwakhe ngathini akukho bad because lokwaluthengela amalo kanjani because mhlambe lenye ilo kanjani ngisho obviously unicala mara licala lakhe abasho ukuthi kufuneka le trader kufuneka le kusebenza
mhlambe abasho njalo vele
mhlambe uqhubeka yasipana yabona and naye so mhlambe ukuthenga le tinto uzama kusho ukuthi hey if ukuthi nithola guilty licala angihambe la endlini kuna something bantu khona push you understand
yabona kunjalo
so shout out to lo but laba abanyatha umuntu you understand
akubo le muntu lomnyama ngabe bamshosha imali kokuqala kazi imali ngi-20 rand ngi-200 rand ngemali bamnike yona bamnika imali
license
license ngicatsi
angayibonanga nje kahle banyatha umuntu wawo labantu you understand say if lo people lapho abantu I think 2 weeks back bekunalumi my sister eKZN athuba lenye out ukuthi awona abatali bakho njanyana bahlulekile bempilweni awusingilutho wena out yenda lokuthi itakhele imali kanjani ngalomhlabathi ngase bathini sisend yeah lemfuleni yabona ilwandle yakha tifishi yakha amakhaseli nani yabona shothi labo masita ngathi bahamba baphosa something yabona manje yabathi shemna ngimoshele because ngathi le ngonya idla ngalokuthi yabona mayakhile seba kuthurani babanikeza njalo njalo asitangathi baphosa in lapha lapho masita balobeka sima siyathi thina ngimoshela shem
sengibamba shutha le video
kumbe mngani walo wana kumbe but it looks like ngathi mngani abamba bonga wayifoka kule out wayithuka le out
bambetha lo message
yabaveta emthuka vele asingilutho wena abazali bakho ihluleki yini mara social media being social media yazi ngoba kuvuka kuya ingwe
ngese ngisafuna kusho njalo sethetini mina ngisathembi kahle lethi ngasithembile
dale bengeke ndiyo
isho njalo
dale ya
but yet mina ngicakwa yini ukuthi why mayisaqala lento bayibamba le picture ukuthi le video ukuthi ngiyalo ngathi kuyoneke into so I understand those moments yabona kufanele ukuthi ushuthe i-video ukuthi nabantu sobacala bayalo wena uyibambe isaqala nje kubele
nalapha nabayibambe isaqala bayibambe ledena sekathuka you understand sebayichaza ukuthi no ungene so but hayi sekufuna nibe careful ukuthi letindawo nyoni ebusuku abantu uphuma abantu abebandi ebusuku nimakhemera ukwenzayo sengiyasho nje
wena bebani
baba umakhelwane banibuka ukuthi banishuthi indawo mina ngithela umntwana walapha kazibani bayena mana kuphuma naye la ekhaya kubula yabo
mina sengiyimvi yenkosi mina sengiyimvi yenkosi mina shout out to people that like lokushina baphusha my brother even yena zolethu phusha lokuyalo ukuthi yabona span uyamotivate abanye abantu ukuthi
span ama
yona ukuthi ashuthe the success yakhe understand but uyamotivate abanye uyaba nemali because akumotivate umuntu abanye
ulimala lonemo
we know umuntu uhlala khona
lonemonto ulimala bona ufuneki lonemonto ulimala lo nganamona akabe motivated you understand at le ngoye yena ngiphushile inkinga yizobe sesifuna ukuthi ngale very something like saying
yangani ngoba
njalo compete for
ngiyakhombe sengathuma sikaveti
for what uyambona lo mjidi unesikaveti mhlawumbe akanalo kanjani akana track le debug sengi-track le debug ngoba abantu bafuna nemuntu nani yakuleyo ukuthi mfethu abantu bafuna isikaveti le track yabona na ithatha i-track
mari business lengana party maroom
party lo
kuye ngisiwakhele angijuthi wrong nawe
awukho wrong ngivela umoye lunako ringqumbi yawo uba-complain lento langisayifuni but brother icashitashophaidi
lento lasivele tiyahlupha my brother there is no business lengehla business etshwala iyahlupha ibhizinisi ye-transport iyahlupha you understand ibhizinisi let makusolo unebantu eShoprite apho ibude management ukuze kumanager lapha kunjani
my brother ukilwa staff sebantwana
many times
le mali nifuna makuvele into khona nakhona nayifuna
yabona truly speaking wona my brother le kahle kahle ngiyiqiniso phela ngifuna ngabe bayibhadala because nasesikoleni babhadala abantu
mara wona sisikole
nayo ke inkinga
yethu
man that's the reason ukuthi ibhizinisi yemuntu omnyama ayiphumeleli because umuntu omnyama uhlala ucinzela umuntu omnyama esikoleni awufiki unegotiate ukuthi ngoba le nyanga le ivalue yalona why
100% asimbude la mangifuna kuphuma kule mangifuna khipha umntwana nami kule business yakho ufuna ngi-apply ukuthi ngiyamkhipha
that's why lethi ngetindo because lama business lawo ayikanjondlobali ngaleyo ndlela and either nama-terms nama-conditions
exactly
so it's one of the things thina abantu abamnyama befuna besiyayiyena
my brother
but into yoshaya futhi somewhere somehow
that's why ngithi mina sikolo that's why ngithi mina awusisikolo mara wena because the reason why ngithi mina wena awusisikolo is because ngala kunema-terms yabona ungachambana nama-terms my brother bangisafika nalama conditions yabona ngiyacabanga if bangalungisa lokho yabona because kunema benefits laba wathulako esikolweni or lathola batali from esikolweni you understand ngabikisa umntwana yakho You understand? Make mntwana ugula utosithola eklinikhi. That's why uva bathi bafuna nani emakhatawe umakhuphi emakhatawe asemaklinikhi nani. Batokhona abantu wena malume wawende lo uthatha umntwana ulethe kuphi? Ulethe kini angisho.
There are many favors and even
Umalume kakhulu my brother.
There are many favors.
Kakhulu.
But I think most of my parents is they take them. They take them for granted.
The reason my brother ngifuna ukuyibuda is my brother ngibagibelile bomalume le.
Yeah, bagibelile.
Ngibagibelile bomalume. From ngisho ne staff ngiyoSpanini my brother. Angikhona understand le system because bahluka labantu ne. Ngifuna wathi ukuthi mafika tuwenza bepetrol nenda njani neyibudgetela ufaka full tank ngalelanga lo bagaya ngayo le mali.
Yabona le business there my brother ish too tricky, too risky at the same time, because that's why bathina baba nema overload abantwana
Most are aware.
Yeah, because of the dollar for petrol now. Understand? So you go when was baba nema overload nema extra cash labanye mhlambe itaf thizeni mhlambe njenganya baba no UMP TT labanye mhlambe yerenka yabo kumbe itaf selson ya so lento bazama coverage le but iba phungu le moto mayiphukile
lapho kuye mara.
You understand? Because ufuna ucashe imoto and itholakala ukuthi le moto leyo imagine so usuqala kulayisha ngo5 o'clock say 7:30 mangona ufuna baba sesikoleni nibona basi UMP mhlambe ngo8 ufuna baba sesikoleni. You understand? Doesn't ngithuma trip leyo. You understand? Afternoon futhi thuma trip imoto yakhe iphukile awabi siyolunga nini yobhadala mali itho ucashe imoto. You understand? So i-risk yonke le vele is all about the risk le business leyo too risky. Too risky.
Because lero manje imoto yakho ufuna ilunge mara while imoto basayilungisa ufuna ukukhiphela imoto futhi qashe ukhipha imali.
Understand? So imagine sewena negotiate futhi siyathi kodwa yavala nini ngila le situation leyo yabona ukuthi ngiba somehow. So la ukuthi yakho questions but esikoleni weni njalo so akubekisela imali nje
ngiyayiva ke sithi nakubabhadala ke December ufuna nakhona babhadala.
Yabona if the system bayithatha njengasesikoleni bekungabancane mara ngeke kufana babhadala tuthi nakhona ufuna bangabhadala because abanye ngani bavala early before December is so yabona ngabe that's why singabane ngabe le company kurana abantwana ngabe irana umuntu njengesizwe transport ngiyabekisa but ngibela shona umalanga ngabe spray ngakho so isitawututura la basina basebafuna bahlala bakhuluma ngala ba live le so kungilawo kungilawo ayonke business.
But shout out man, shout out to bona bomalume my brother. The reason why ngilo kanja basipana labantu
ano basipana
labantu basipana my brother. Ngicabanga nje nawe ungitshela ukuthi ibolele ngizalo bomalume bene exactly ngakuma 10 11 balala baphumula khona bafuna
basiphatha batsa siyatsawa ngifuna ukukhuluma manga and net vele bothi ngoba lona namalanga anasiwa soto sikhuluma kahle but truly speaking you understand kuyatsawa lapha angeke ngiba defend on that part banye manje bangibhesh but batsawa there are many people batsawa
baba
no kufuna umthetho ufuna kuye ecine my brother but umthetho if angacinanga lesinye isikhathi kulula ukuthi intendele noma yini but if yabona nginento le ukuthi if bekuba sinema-police nama-traffic cop basingozi nala bodudula ngesingozi lo enforcement bahlala basebenza every day 365 days awuthile bethu hamba olayini bekuthi maniphuma lamatshwaleni nani bakile imoto lapha kodwa bafuna ndale lapha etshwaleni
akuhambe
bathi nganele mvula 6 to 6 akunankinga sinakubonisa kuphelelapho
bohamba
bohamba njani
bohamba ngenyawo
nyawo bakubopha
mara my brother
broken walking
manje my brother moseleni khona ukuthi ulo kanjani ngisho ucashe umuntu
enjani
uthi hayi but ngokufolela masengimnandi ngumlazi usuba
imali so business
business
yeah bring up to consider
ngisuba simase ngisuba laba bafonela abafati bawo hayi mama right
nenkinga right
Douglas you understand mara yona if ngabe nje ubusho madoda ukuthi bangasebenza labantu
yabona ngabe yemthetho
365 asikakile kamnandi
my brother bengeke
ukuthi bokudubula etulu ngoba
my brother bengeke besolala kuvula iminyango besolala kuvula iminyango because lapho umuntu okhamba bambuza umbani ethi ID number yakho hayi mina emlungu nalami bamthatha yabo njalo njalo abalu nabo nyalo befuna ngiyevele lethu duli right but nalo system
abathi
in but mina is a political part angisayi ayisana manje kahle bona yonke ingazisuke iwele to political party
iwele ki political party
bavule political party yabo
yeah okay
so that's the problem abasana mara my brother why don't you think masondo nabe kuna ba take over lelo
masondo take over
labafundisi banana nalabazalwana bathi no nasi siyashaya imagine manje
nabo bashaya
bashaya imagine manje
ngiyacabanga bakwena but not as libanje
no bajoyine vele nakulamalo
ngiyacabanga
ngabe siyeva una pastor abanibanda apana
ngiyacabanga bakwena but not as libanje futhi not pastor but maybe labanye bu pastor sebangamanye ama influencers balandzeli babo bu supporter in but bona as libanje I don't think
manje phela mina sothi msonto kusonto thizeni ngaya vele kujoyine yabo but pastor mangayi kusho ngilinyile because pastor mina befuna sijoyine
my brother malo nje nawafana solungiyasho malo nawafana mayigeze abantu wafana
bona wafana mara kanibona
nawafana tinkolo mara ba political standing futhi angafani understand
yeah that's true
so labantu that's why uthola most ema out akasayi emasondweni because ufika esondweni intolo bekudlala iChiefs ePirates mfundisi ufuna ukukhuluma ngeChiefs ePirates umfundisi
cabana phasi doshumayelwa umshumayela ngebhola
mfundisi ufavorite Chiefs ishachiwe ubewinile so ufuna kujabulela abantu sishayile in yabona sebala you understand
even play bhola ngibethatha personal
exactly my brother konke my brother bakuthatha personal sasa wona ukhuluma ngeANC ukuthi ANC yende in FF laphana
bhola ipolitiki ingolo
yabona
isisamsini
so kungiloko nje my brother ibhola likumnanzi ngebhola my brother ukuthi ayikaze susatimbi politiki i-religion my brother sikhuluma namuhla kunebantu bathi maroma ngenxa yani i-religion nabo Boko Haram ngenxa yani i-religion
mara mina ngicabanga ngento leyo religion ngathi isebela kakhulu kubantu abamnyama icabanisa thina abantu abamnyama divide thina abantu abamnyama
ubona njalo phuzule abantu abamnyama hambe Middle East ubona different
ngikhulumela la kithi South Africa
that's why ngithi ukhuluma njalo because ulike it mawuyanga nabo
ngiyokhulumela la ngibuke khona
kuyaliwa iGaza bathini Israel nelo kanjani Iranian kuyaliwa yini still i-religion seyifaka nani nema-geopolitics yabona and labantu mawuthi ababuka bantu baye phela lapho mara bayani
vele without imbi into ngetilunga even nayo le nto lokuthi abahambi without kuthi kuliwe one day ngeke ngitshintshe lutho
my brother sivale sitazismosha
hayi le Queen Lifestyle is open. It's Friday today. Uzani uzospenda lokunako lokunqane
lokukhulu no expand ngithenga ama-10 bill wena spend
ngascavate
yeah wena spend
lokufuna kuthenga amamoya my bro
hey my brother malini wena my brother
I don't know ngingazi nginathi
okay ukahle ngoba usanani
ngiyayinathi ngala le toilet bye bye